Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope that you all are in pink of your health in these difficult times. Well, I know many of you like me are trying to begin their journey of meditation. But we all beginners face many obstacles while starting this process of meditation. And in today's video, what I'm going to talk to you is about some of the common challenges that a beginner or else in first time meditators face and what can be done to manage that. So let's begin. So the first challenge that any beginner meditation will face would be feeling strange to sit at one place in silence. Now trust me guys, even I have got through this. I am kind of a restless person. I constantly think of doing different tasks, different activities, and I just can't sit at one place. Now it's been 1 month that I'm doing this meditation every single day, and I remember very clearly the first day when I started this practice of meditation. It was so difficult for me to sit at one place for say 10 minutes. Yes, we all have become kind of restless in those terms, and yes, this could be the first and the most important challenge that any beginner meditator can face. So the way we can deal with this is getting clear about your why. This is so important. If you know your intention behind starting that meditation practice, definitely you would be more motivated, and how difficult it would be to sit for you at one place, you will still continue to sit. So I would highly urge you, if you are a beginner meditator and trying to sit at one place and finding this little uncomfortable or difficult, make sure to sit down and write your goals. Coming to the next obstacle of meditation, and that is foreign thoughts. Now this is also common. The moment you sit for meditation, close your eyes, I'm pretty sure every one of us gets some foreign thoughts. And for beginners, it's really a frustrating thing. And it happens to me still. When I try to sit and meditate and just try to focus on the breath, and then some sort of thought that comes and pops my mind, it makes me feel low for some time after finishing it, because I feel that my meditation was not successful. But trust me guys, all the research that I've done, and I have spoken to the people, and I've also listened to the people who meditate on regular basis, everybody said this, that the thoughts are going to come. What we need to do is we need to just let it be there without paying attention on that, and rather trying to bring back the focus to your breath. Now, still if you are finding this to do difficult, you can take the help of some guided meditation practice. Now, YouTube is filled with many guided meditation videos. There are many apps that are also available on Play Store. So you can pick any of that and just try. The third challenge, falling asleep. Now, meditation, when you try to do, many times this happens that you start feeling sleepy and actually you fall asleep sometime. And I'll tell you, even I have been through that. Now, this basically can be prevented by taking one simple step, and that is, don't sit on a place where you sleep. Now, there is some psychological connection with the place where we sleep. The moment we sit over there, there is some sort of thing that comes and thus makes you feel sleepy and you just want to sleep. So the best way to avoid this is just try to choose a place that's away from your bed. Or else you can sit over a chair or some other place in your house that is quiet and that puts you in that state of awakeness. And there you can start your meditation practice. The next problem is disturbances. Now disturbances are everywhere, and as we grow better in our meditation practice, those disturbances will not bother us. But if we are a beginner, definitely disturbance might not allow us to focus internally. So what we can do about this? The best thing for this is just try to meditate in a place which is distraction free. So you can choose a time, maybe early in the morning or else late at night when you don't have much of movement around you, or you can choose a space inside your house where there is not much movement, and then you can start your meditation practice. That will help you to stay away from meditation and allow you to focus on this blissful method of meditation. Moving to the next point, and that is timings. Now, everyone is not morning person, and that's why they might find difficult to meditate in early mornings. But trust me guys, there's no good time or bad time for meditation. You can actually do meditation any time of the day. What is important is trying to be consistent with your timing. Even though the morning time is the best time of meditation because you're fresh, the energies around you is good, and there's a lot amount of oxygen that's present. So if you can do early morning meditation, that's the best. But if you are not able to find that, it's okay. You can find a time in a day which allows you to do that practice. Moving to the next point, and that is what to wear. Now, there is no particular right clothing for meditation, but the most important thing that we need to keep in mind while meditating is to make sure to wear a comfortable clothing. Just imagine you are trying to sit in a place, trying to focus internally, and if you have some tight clothing, some uncomfortable clothing, you will not just be able to focus on yourself. So it's highly important that you choose a clothes are airy and are comfortable. What position to sit? Now this could be another challenge for someone, because many of us thinks, and even I used to think, that sitting in Sukhasana on the floor is the only way to meditate. But trust me guys, there's no right way of sitting. You can sit on a chair, a bench, a stool, or anything that you find comfortable. The important thing is you should be able to focus within yourself. You should be able to go in that state of calmness and peacefulness. On the state of calmness and peacefulness. The only thing that you should keep in mind while sitting for meditation is your back should be straight, your neck should be relaxed, your shoulder muscles should be relaxed, and your hands should be able to rest on your lap. That's it that you need for sitting for your meditation practice. Moving to the next point, and that is duration. Now, many of us feel that it's really difficult to sit for meditation practice for 20 minutes. But the best way to start meditation is to start small. We can actually start sitting for meditation practice for as minimum as 5 minutes, and even sometimes less than that. It's okay, but gradually we should aim at increasing the duration, because as we get comfortable to this, we would be automatically be able to sit for a longer duration of meditation practices. All this information is a part of an accumulated research of articles, blog posts that I could read on internet. I will again tell you, I'm not an expert in meditation space, but what I've learned is there is no good or bad meditation. There's no right or wrong way of meditation. But what matters is being able to be aware and trying to be more distraction free. So friends, these were some of the challenges that you might experience, and even I have experienced in this ongoing journey of mine of meditation practice. I hope you could relate to this challenges and obstacles. If yes, please make sure to share all your experiences with me by commenting in the comment section below. And I hope you like this video. If you like my work, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I create videos related to your health and well-being, and I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I'll see you on the next video, which is coming up on Friday, related to some back information. If you want to know about that, make sure to watch that video on upcoming Friday. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.